and welcome to Tarot Made Easy. I'm Galloway and I'm the author of 21 Doors of Tarot Story. I've been reading the tarot for over 35 years, but let me tell you, when I first started out on my tarot journey, I struggled, and I mean struggled, with memorizing the 78 tarot cards. And that was until I discovered a way of, by linking an event in my life with the traditional 78 tarot card meanings, it gave my subconscious mind something to work with, something to play with. So this eliminated the need to ever reference a guidebook, and my intuition, it just exploded. So check it out. It's available on Amazon, and I know that it's going to be a game changer for you. I put a link in the description below, and you can also get it on my website, Pillars of Divinity. And if you haven't checked out the other videos in this series, I've put a link above. So let's just jump right back in where we left off. And today the Fool, feeling invincible after meeting the Magician and the High Priestess, is now standing at door number 3, and here he meets the Empress. Now the Empress is the goddess. She is the mother of all mothers. She is the mother of our soul. She represents our connection to Mother Earth, and she embodies everything related to fertility and nurturing and abundance. She teaches the Fool patience and gentleness and helps him to feel safe and secure within his life. Now, a marriage or a birth could even be in the cards with the Empress, and the Empress will definitely help the Fool express his creativity. The Empress will instill in the Fool that love of nature, and she will remind the Fool to take long walks outdoors and to take the time to smell the roses and to just enjoy his life. The Empress will teach him that to be kind to himself and to connect with all the beauty that is around him and all the happiness within. The Fool can feel that Empress love, that all-embracing, unconditional love of a mother. The Fool reflects on all the love in his life. Now the Empress implants all good fortune within the Fool, both creative and material. The Fool can now passionately look forward to putting his ideas and his plans into work, and he begins to appreciate all the beautiful things that the hard work can bring him. The Empress gives the Fool the gift of determination to get things done. So when the Fool meets the Empress, the sky's the limit for him to cultivate his creativity.